Hey there, welcome back. Today we're going to be making rock, paper, scissors with Python in Trinket. So we're going to open up a new Python script, and then in here we're going to get a variable that is going to store the user's input. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to make sure that they're inputting what we want them to. So what we'll do is we'll make a boolean and we'll call it correct, and we'll set that first to false. Okay. And now we'll make a while loop, and we'll set the condition in the while loop to be correct is false. And then we'll go ahead and we'll go choice equals input R, P, or S, and then we'll go if choice dot lower equals or choice dot lower equals P, or choice dot lower equals S. Correct equals true, and then we'll go with the else correct equals false, and we'll also print please input only R, P, or S. And then after this while loop we'll also have to import random, so we can use the random feature. So we'll import random, and then we'll go computer choice equals random dot randint 0 to 1 to 3, and if computer choice equals 1, then we'll set computer choice to R, elif computer choice is 2, we'll set computer choice P, else computer choice will be S. Now we'll simply go with a new one if computer choice is P, and choice is R, print computer wins. And obviously we'll want that in parentheses to make sure it's print start string. Yeah, okay. Elif computer choice P, and choice is S, print user wins. Elif computer choice equals R, and choice is S. Right, you get the picture, so I'll pause the recording and I'll come back to you once we've finished. So I'm back, and as you can see I've just changed this to add the brackets. You're probably screaming at me, we just forgot that. And then also once we get to this bit, let's get an else, print tag. I've also added it so that it prints out the computer trace so we can view it easier, so we know if the program's working. So let's check this. R P R user wins. Yeah, so that's correct. It does look good. Thank you for watching, guys, and peace out.